Today I want to show you how to make a luxurious pumpkin spice body butter. It has a few different butters and oils that will make your skin happy and hydrated going into fall and winter. For this recipe, you will need mango butter. This is our unrefined pure mango butter. It is really soft, unscented, so you can add any scents to your formulation that you want and it will hold that awesome scent. Then we'll have some kokum butter. It is also unscented and it's really hard. It gives a little bit of dryness to your whipped body butter so it's not too greasy. Here we have a beautiful rosehip oil. Then you can use apricot oil or another light oil. Jojoba would work and also almond oil will work. Then we add a little bit of coconut oil. And then to give it a pumpkin spice fall theme scent, I picked some fragrances as opposed to essential oils because this really give it the right scent. And then a little bit of eyeshadow. Yeah, this is eyeshadow that I've never used, but it has a little glitter and it has that orange tint. It will give your body butter an awesome color. As usual, you want to put all your butters into a heat-proof container. Pyrex glass jars work perfectly. So I put mango, kokum, the coconut oil, and the oils. They will be melting very slowly at low heat, so there is no worry about ruining the oils or stripping their properties with the heat. As long as it's over a double boiler at low heat, let it melt very slowly. When all your butters are melted, you want to put your container in the refrigerator for about an hour or until the sides and the bottom are solid, but you still have a little bit of liquid in the middle. Then you can start whipping. An electric mixer starting on low and getting up to high is the best sequence. You want to scrape the sides so they don't stay attached to the container. And then you're ready to put in your fragrances. Normally the suppliers of whatever fragrance you get will recommend how many drops you want to put. I believe I added about 10 drops of each of the two scents that I pick. And the scent is subtle, but I can still smell it. You could definitely add a little bit more. And now the funnest part of all is to add that little color that tells you that this is a pumpkin spice body butter. So what I did is I got these two eyeshadows that have the right color that I want to add. I broke them up into a bowl and I have used the back of a spoon to break it up so that it's a fine powder and it can blend in well in your body butter. So once you have added your eyeshadow, you want to stir it in before you get back to the electric whipping, just to make sure that you stir it in really well and then back to whipping until you're satisfied with the final consistency. I did not whip this too much because I really wanted it very creamy, but you can definitely whip this a little bit more and get a fluffier consistency with more little air bubbles. And there you go, a beautiful, nourishing, fun pumpkin spice body butter.